Hello beautiful planner girls, welcome back to my channel. Emily from Digital Plans. This is the last week we're on this planner, which I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm so excited to go into the new one. I already have my New Year's kit, little sneak peek for you guys, but week is all about Christmas, so I have a very conventional, very traditional kit. This is Christmas Traditions by PinkPlannerShop, and I just love it. It's got some candy canes, a Christmas countdown. It's got all sorts of food, which I love, gingerbread cookies, different hot cocoa, and what is that cake? I love me the dog with the lights and just putting up the Christmas, just all the Christmas traditions, and I love it. I love this door, just wow. I wish my door looked like that. Look how gorgeous that is. Anyways, that's what we're going to be using for our kit, and I will be using some gold foil. I was debating between using this one. This is the Christmas lights in gold, but I also have the Christmas lights in mixed metals with red and green, and I think that'll look bomb too, but I feel like I want this to pop. I want it to really lift off the page, and I think the gold is gonna do that for us this week, so that's what we are using. So let's stop rambling and let's start with our base as always. So I think I'm grabbing full boxes. I thought I had a tall box. Yes, I do. I have a tall box, which I'm so excited about because I feel like they don't do tall boxes anymore. Do you guys feel that too? And I love putting them on the sidebar, especially because it's memory planning. I don't have a lot of a to-do list or anything to put there. So I like me a good tall box, and I kind of want to do the washi because I'm not too sure. I feel like, of course, we're going to be using these, but also I want to add that pop of red that it's there, so I feel like maybe we'll do this bottom and then the red on top. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with the foil in the washi, so we'll see in a second, but let's make sure these are kind of even, and let's pop these ones as well. So how's everyone doing? Speaking of Christmas traditions, what are your Christmas traditions? We definitely do the gingerbread houses. We did that last week, and I did a whole gingerbread spread for that. And then this week is very traditional for us, but this year is not going to be because we're going on vacation. So I'm pre-prepping these for my memory. So I'm just having my base, and when I come back, I'll add those because we are going to the beach, which is definitely not a Christmas type of thing to do. Definitely not something we like to do, but the opportunity arose, and we were yes, of course. We're not how are we supposed to say no to the beach, So we decided to go because we needed a vacation, which is kind of crazy because I feel we went 3 seconds ago. We went not 3 seconds ago, but some months ago we went. I love this cookie. The nails are awesome. I have my nails done for Christmas and New Year's, I guess. Those are gonna be the nails. And yeah, I wanted to do something red, but I couldn't find anything that I really, really loved. And I love the snowflake vibes. So I decided to go with that. I definitely want to use the doggo here, front and center. Maybe we'll do colors, I don't know. I feel I'm gonna do one here. We could do here, here, and here, or we could do here, 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 and here, which I kind of like a little bit better. So, dog's going down right here. So cute. I feel we need food. I want to use it all. Okay, we're gonna do candy cane here, Christmas countdown here, and then I definitely want to do this food here. And I feel the baking or the girl with the dog can go here on top. That's the vibe that I feel we need in our spread. So yeah, but I've been hoarding this kit for a year. I feel I bought it last year or maybe even a couple of years ago. And I've been wanting to use it for a real long time. And I was just you know what? We'll do it. We will do it. Also, I've been posting back again in my Instagram because I haven't been posting a lot. And before we do anything else, I will blank this out because you guys know it's going to bother me in a second and I'm gonna be going insane about it. Okay, I think this is really cute. Definitely really need my heathers. I'm gonna put my heathers, you know, like my glitter heathers, the way that I always do, going 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's how I like to do it, except in the full boxes I like to add a different type of heather, one of these like more deco ones to put some foil on top, and then we're gonna be doing our date covers. That's what they're called, our date covers on tops, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I really want to go in with my foil. I am in love with these. I just absolutely love everything about this. I think it is so freaking cute. I do really like all of the lights and whatnot, so I'm just gonna grab them all. I'm gonna grab first out of the washi. We're gonna paste it right here, and we're gonna start working with it. So that looks bomb. I feel like this looks great here. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then we're gonna grab these lights here, of course, kind of like in the middle, going around it. So pretty. So let me mimic that here on the other side. So gorgeous. Like so gorgeous. So pretty. I love it. I think this looks so cute, like especially this in red. I am in love. I'm in love, and I definitely want to add these because I feel like we need something on top, and these will look perfect. So we're gonna do that, and then I feel like we could use this one again here. And I love that. So cute, so pretty. I love it. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna search for my Hello Months. If you guys don't know, I do have them on the freebies, and I always have them down below. But this little one that says Hello Months, I have them in gold, and I'm just gonna use the December one. So I'm gonna blank this one out so that we can use that. Hold on. Okay, so going with December and just popping it right here so that it kind of matches, and we have everything in gold, and I love that. So cute. All of those Hello Months are freebies, and they're down below with the frame freebies if you want those as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab all of these, which are all my frames, and we're gonna pop them here. So number one, we need to do something with this tall girl, and I kind of feel like we can do our little trick that we always do. You guys know these. I'm gonna just like duplicate these really quickly. I'm gonna pop one on the top, one on the bottom, and then we're gonna crop him. So we're gonna have this right here for the bottom, so cute, and then we're gonna have the other one for the top, and I just love it, especially when there's a girl, because it just like kind of frames her really prettily, and I love it, love it, love it, love it. So then we're gonna be using, what are we going to be using? I feel like I really want like a cute frame here. How cute is that, you guys? I just love the dog, and I feel like this adds the perfect amount of something that I wanted there. So freaking cute. We still do have this one. We have this that just has like the corners, which I feel like will be kind of cute here with the dog. Do we want to use it like that, or do we want to use it? I feel like that's okay. That's so cute. Okay, I have these, which I feel like will go cute here, maybe, with our Christmas countdown. I kind of really like that. So pretty. We have one top bottom, which I feel like will go cute here. So pretty. And then I kind of want to see if we could do a little bit of this here. So something like that. And then we're going to bring another one of those. Just these ones. I like the stars because I think that'll be pretty to put on the other side. Kind of making a double box. A little bit different than we normally do, but I feel like it goes together really well because we have, you know, this corner. We might want to take out this corner right here. Like so, to kind of make it look like a double box. We just have a little extra decorator and I love it. I think that looks really cute. What am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something on these two. So we could do, what could we do? Feel like we could also just use some of these. Hold on, I kind of want to, is this a different one than this one? I don't think so. I feel like we could do these and these. Let me copy, and then we could kind of create something different. So here, for example, I kind of want to use this one here on top. So pretty. And then we can just use this one. Oops. We can just use this one here. So these are actually the you know, these are actually just the headers, but we're kind of using them different. That looks cute. Okay, so what else are we doing? I definitely need something on top. I don't know what, maybe, you know what, maybe this will look just cute with that whole thing. So I think this will look cute here, just like on top of these ones. What are we thinking? Yes, I love it. I just love the gold. I'm so happy. I feel like I don't use gold enough, and I was reading in a comment, you know, that like they prefer New Year's kit in gold, and I was like, what? Why didn't I thought about it like that? Because it's just such a good core foil color to have. Like you just need it for like every occasion. But apparently I'm just an idiot and I didn't realize that. But yes, gold is bomb, and I definitely, you know, I was like looking through all of my foil and I was like, I could do red, I could do green, I could do mixed red with green. I even played with like hollow and silver, and I was like, why am I overthinking this? It's Christmas, like, of course, go with gold. But yeah, I'm so happy. I love these. I kind of really like it more than I thought I would. So I'm gonna use my boxes now. I do have these kind of like cool bougie box and then the regular ones, so I might actually mix them. So let's see, we might actually mix them with this one right here because I think these will look so pretty, especially like picking out from, you know, underneath the boxes and the character stickers and all that. I think that looks so cute. Oh, it is so pretty. So I think I have to organize how I want to like mix them, but I think I'll be doing that and then I'll be right back. This is gonna be me just like moving things around like a lot. Okay, we're pretty much done. This is such a cute vibe, such a Christmas vibe. I feel like this is just perfect. But I definitely want to add a little box here. I don't know which one I want. Probably this one will look cute. I don't know, we'll see. And then we will have a couple of cute little, what are these? Dividers right there. So I don't know which ones I want. I kind of want this one. And then for the bottom, I kind of want, which one should I get for the bottom? I feel like we should just do these two. And just, of course, use one here at the top. And then like one down here to kind of like divide these. And I feel like that's gonna look cute. Okay. That's the vibe. I love it. I think this is such a cute Christmassy thing. Oh, let's go into my character stickers for a second. Which should be here. And just like check out the cute Christmas ones. we could use which one would you guys like? I feel like I should use one of these ones, just like the Merry Christmas one. And also I like a little character sticker on the side. So we're gonna do like Merry Christmas, and then here we need like a little character sticker, something cute. I feel like all of these are very Christmassy. So I don't know. Which one should I use? This is kind of cute, but I want something a little bit more impactful, you know what I mean? Maybe something like this, but I don't know if the green will go. I feel like this is kind of perfect. These marshmallow stickers are from La La Land, and they're so cute. Love them. So cute. So yeah, this will be my spread for the Christmas week. I'm so happy with it. I feel like the gold looks bomb with it. I don't know if I'm like even. There we go. But I think this is such a cute vibe, such a Christmas, you know, traditions definitely. Kind of like, because I always wanted to have like a traditional one, but I always go do something different just because I feel like I have to be doing something different. But like, I just really missed just like the pretty red and green one. I do love that this has some like blues on it. I think it looks so cute, but you know, it's got everything from the candy canes to the cookies to dogs to Christmas lights, and I feel like the Christmas light foil bundle in gold really pops with this one, and I just love it. Love it. Super pretty. And just like the whole Christmas vibes. I love it. I feel cozy just looking at it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful planner girls in my next video. Bye bye.